Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. As we get older, the eyes have different needs and a change in vision is a normal part of the aging process. Generally, people in their 20s and 30s usually have good eyesight, and this age is too young for the aging process to cause problems such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, and presbyopia and other common eye-related problems associated with age. If you are encountering eye problems at this age, then it is likely to be due to some other reason, not from the natural aging process. Therefore, at this age, it's all about prevention and taking a positive step towards the longevity of your vision. There are a number of things that you should consider at this age to prolong the effects of aging on your vision as you get older. UV rays. Ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun can cause damage to your eyes, and it's a good idea to protect your eyes from UV rays. The way you can do this is to regularly use sunglasses to ensure that the UV rays are not directly hitting your eye. Nowadays, most sunglasses will protect your eyes from UV rays, but you should double check, because if they don't protect your eyes, they are serving very little purpose other than making you look good. Protecting your eyes from UV rays when you are a young adult will help you to slow down the effects of aging on your eyes. Occupational hazards. There are many occupational hazards that could affect your eyes. But, really dangerous jobs aside, most people don't even think that a common office job can be harmful to the eyes. In a lot of jobs, people spend many hours sitting in front of a computer and looking at the computer monitor. You should be aware of the problems that this could cause your eyes and take preventative steps. If possible, you should take regular breaks from looking at a computer screen to minimize the possibility of getting eye strain, headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes and other problems. Moreover, it will help if you do some eye exercises to ensure that your eyes stay in the best condition possible. First of all, make sure that you blink regularly. As we look at a computer screen, we tend to blink less often. Counteract this by ensuring that you are blinking regularly. Of course, there are other occupational hazards related to your eyesight. Make sure that you take all necessary safety precautions for your job. Other harmful elements. In today's society, we're surrounded by harmful elements that can cause issues for the well-being of your eyes. Cigarette smoke, dust, car exhausts and pollution can all have a negative effect on your vision and your ability to see well. Make sure that you take the necessary steps to protect your eyes from these harmful elements, and you'll be enjoying better vision later in life. Regular eye tests. At least once a year, ensure that you take an eye exam so that you can diagnose any problems quickly. If you start to develop nearsightedness or farsightedness in the early stages, you can do eye exercises to ensure that your eyes are not getting progressively worse. If your regular eye test shows that you have some issues, then you need to start taking action immediately. Good health. A healthy diet with the right balance of vitamins and minerals will really help to keep your vision in good condition. Even though you are probably not noticing any deterioration with regards to your eyes and aging, it's important that you do everything that you can to keep them in the best condition possible. If you take care of your eyes now, you can keep them in good condition well into your 40s, 50s and even 60s. There are many vitamins and minerals that can help with your eyesight. These include vitamins A, C and E, lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, omega-3 essential fatty acids, and more. If you want to ensure that your eyes are getting the proper nutrition, be sure to check out our Aku Plus Eye Vitamins, as we are currently offering one free bottle to all new customers. Relax your eyes. When you are in your 20s and 30s, it's important that you relax your eyes. The muscles in your eyes work very hard to focus and see clearly, and you should take the time to relax these muscles to give so that they can stay strong for longer. Getting enough sleep is vitally important to the well-being of your health and in particular your eyes. When you sleep, your body gets the chance to repair itself. If you don't sleep enough, you're not getting enough time for your eyes to relax and stay in good shape. Prevention. Remember, at this age, you really want to prevent your eyes from getting worse. Prevention is the most important thing. If you get into good habits now, then your eyesight stands a better chance of prolonging the natural aging process. Therefore, take a little bit of time to consider what your eyes are going through and what you can do to prevent issues such as nearsightedness, farsightedness and presbyopia that are likely to occur as you get older. Please note, this video clip is created as part of an educational assignment on the basis of my knowledge gained from books and internet and should be treated as such. Please do not treat it as a medical advice. Thanks to all of you who are watching me, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.